Bubble pon it, love how you turn it. But man, I fuck your baby. No come here, no say the things say tougher than granite. She said, Magnum tonic. Come in at the camp, let me ram it and I jam it. Pretty little freak with the tongue ring pon it. Rev out the thing and let me slam it like a bun. Say me.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back with another video for you guys. Right now, people have Tep VR, the great Tep VR song called Greatness. Big up whole of Trinidad, big up Riverside, and Tep VR forward from me. Big up some people. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and I'll post every single day. You could jump in the description of the video, description the right there, so you could see what going in the description. As me I say, song written by Tep Music Official, Tep_official on Instagram. Go follow Tep right now, people. Produced by Caution Beats, mixed by Noble Touch. Big up Noble Touch. I don't think big up Noble Touch now. Mastered by Noble Touch. Also artwork by Say Productions SLTD. You know what I'm man? I'm ready for this song called Greatness, people. It's a girl song, reality. It's a girl song. Wanna see it on the screen? It's a girl song. No, we love this already. Go on!
My girl.
Talk to her.
Bring you up on the riverside, you know. Different
type of something I get it on.
Yo, just slow. Take your time, just wine for me.
Hey girls, who like everybody get pit, they get breed now with the dog. And Christmas time are coming on. 2 weeks away now, no. Girl slow. Go on.
Something not free. Yo, slow. Take your time, just wine for me. Bubble pon it, love how you turn it. But man, I fuck your baby. No come here, no say the things say tougher than granite. She said, Magnum tonic. Come in at the camp, let me ram it and I jam it. Pretty little freak with the tongue ring pon it. Rev out the thing and let me slam it like a bun. Say me.
Right back little bit. Magnum tonic, pretty little freak. Boom, go on.
Bubble pon it, love how you turn it. But man, I fuck your baby. No come here, no say the things say tougher than granite. She said, Magnum tonic. Come in at the camp, let me ram it and I jam it. Pretty little freak with the tongue ring pon it. Rev out the thing and let me slam it like a bun. Say me nah push no rope, y'all. The thing solid. Slow. Take your time, just wine for me.
The cancel this place again. I'm carrying the time to blood clip. People, link to the original song gonna be down below in the description of this video. Go run up your numbers over there, so make Tep those and me selling over there. So I don't know if you want to go over there, comment BFI emoji back at that. Go!
Say something not free. Take your time, just wine for me.
Yeah, baby, how you gonna put the girl? Yeah, girl, you. Listen up.
As me come through the door, she embrace me. Full of style and you know me not lazy. Beat up the something like me come from 80 90s baby. Slow it down like you the inna the matrix. You're not basic, turn around face it. Fuck up your foot inna the style like a spaceship. Pussy tight, my girl.
All them putty shears you want to put the girl in her. Oh, you so brawling. You want chili for her foot up with this? No, sir, Mr. Tep. Yeah, the people them girl putting it too bad now. Too bad, man. Too bad. You want she to wine and take her time. Me say go on. Run back a little bit though. Go on.
You see, beat up the something like me come from 80 90s baby. Slow it down like you the inna the matrix. You're not basic. Turn around face it. Fuck up your foot inna the style.
Slow it down like you inna the matrix. You're not basic. The man say you're not basic. Baby girl, you are not basic. Yo, go on.
Like a spaceship. Pussy tight, my girl, you are the greatest. Slow. Take your time, just wine on me. Hey girl, you say something not free. Yeah. Slow. Take your time, just wine on me. Hey girl. Bubble pon it, love how you turn it.
Sure.
But man, I fuck your baby.
I don't come in.
You say the things say tougher than.
Fuck. That's like a bad. People, if I say I go bad right now, I want to all out and watch that video right now. If you click the link to this or to the link to the original song, go run and drop a like point to this message, run up a number, spam that song, people. Make him know say me selling over this in the comment section. Go and go take a listen to the link. I go be the first link in the description. It will be the pin in the comment section. Go make take know say me selling over there. Yo, sound bad. The master girl, wine, take your time, Bobby.
Gonna she say, Magnum tonic, come in at the camp, let me ram it and I jam it. Pretty little freak with the tongue ring on it. Rev out the thing and then me slam it like a bunny. Say me nah push no rope, girl, the thing solid. Slow, take your time, just wine on me. Hey, girl, you know say something not free. Yes. Take your time, just wine for me. Girl.
Let's make some right to the song I done. Girl, slow. Take your time for me. Hey, man, I like them. Like I said that tip. You see me never expect I say that tip. Tip has so really bad. Make come a little bit. Take a check out pan tip channel, people. Right now we go pan tip channel, right, people? I go show you how tip very bad over here, so now. Give you that one, yeah? Run that one off the tip. Listen to that song, yeah?
Your point.
Listen to that song, yeah, people.
Library.
From this to a girl song, you know?
Riverside.
Never do what? Right, make this now, no?
Yo, nobody touch. We evil dog.
Hey.
River man not afraid to kill people dog. Touch the road with the eagle dog. Dead body we are stuffing the vehicle dog. Yeah. We evil dog. River man not afraid to kill people dog. Yeah. Touch the road with the eagle dog. Dead body we are stuffing the vehicle dog. Let me tell you about Riverside. Lash up, head run up on you. Get your rough life.
Telling people go check out Tep VR. Make him know say I'm amazing over there. So link I go be down below in the description. In YouTube, in Instagram. The song them I just play a while ago. People, go check out Tep. Make him know say the reaction boss and over there. So big up on yourself. So it was a pleasure to entertain you know. Signing out. This video is made yesterday, by the way. I'm a poster on 6 video yesterday. But big up on yourself. Peace out.